Hello and welcome back to my channel. Volkswagen has made some improvements to the ID.4 for 2024 with the intention of improving performance and range on models with a larger 77.0 kWh battery pack. That model now comes with an upgraded electric motor that pumps up power to 282 horsepower in rear-wheel drive models and up to 330 horsepower with all-wheel drive. These models also see their estimated EPA range rise by between 816 to 263 and 291 miles. Other changes to the ID.4 include a new 12.9-inch infotainment display, backlit controls for volume and climate control, and some new wheel designs. The price of the 2024 Volkswagen ID.4 is expected to start around $41,000 and go up to $53,000 depending on the trim and options. Although the new standard model carries the most budget-friendly price tag, we'd opt for the mid-range Rear Drive Pro to help maximize the ID.4's range. That model also unlocks the ability to quickly DC fast charge at public charging terminals. The Pro can also be had with all-wheel drive and a larger battery, which help give the ID.4 a little extra performance and horsepower without consuming too much of its driving range. Engine, transmission, and performance. With a single rear-mounted motor, the ID.4 with a smaller 58.0 kWh battery makes 201 horsepower, but the top-of-the-line dual-motor, all-wheel drive model with the larger 77.0 kWh battery pumps out 330. Maximum towing capacity is a stout 2,700 pounds. Regenerative braking helps recapture energy when slowing the vehicle, but the familiar one-pedal driving capability that EV pilots have come to appreciate is largely missing here, even in the ID.4's most aggressive regenerative mode. Also lacking is the traditional gut punch acceleration that electric vehicles often provide. The rear-wheel drive ID.4 isn't slowed by traditional compact crossover standards, but its 7.6-second run to 60 miles per hour in our testing demonstrates that it's far more laid-back than quicker EV competitors. Going for the more powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive model sharpens the ID.4's accelerative performance, as evidenced by its 5.4-second jump to 60 miles per hour at our test track. The ID.4 handles less sharply than some other EVs, but we appreciate its smooth and refined ride quality and quiet cabin. Range, charging, and battery life. For 2024, models with a 77.0 kWh have increased EPA estimated driving range. The all-wheel drive version is rated at 263 miles. The rear drive version is rated at 291 miles. There currently aren't any EPA estimates for the ID.4's base 58.0 kWh battery pack. Previously, it was capable of holding enough juice to power the single-motor rear-drive version up to 209 miles between charges. That's less than other electric SUVs such as the Hyundai Kona Electric and the Kia Niro EV. The battery can be charged at home on 110 or 240-volt connections, of course, and it's also capable of DC fast charging. Fuel economy and real-world mpg. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, the rear-wheel drive ID.4 delivered 82 mpg and sailed on for 190 miles. Note: we've found from our testing that EPA range numbers can overstate or understate the real-world highway range difference between EVs. Our testing of the ID.4 was completed in near-freezing temperatures, which can drastically reduce driving range. So the 190-mile result is more impressive than it sounds. For more information about the ID.4's fuel economy, interior, comfort, and cargo. While the ID.4's interior offers a contemporary design with high-tech features, ambient lighting, and generous cargo space, the interior design is uncluttered and playful. Cloth seats with heat for the front occupants are standard, but going with the Pro S model brings full leather upholstery along with 12-way power-adjustable front seats with a memory function. The ID.4's cargo area is quite spacious. We managed to fit 8 carry-on suitcases behind the ID.4's rear seat and 26 total with the rear seats folded. Infotainment and connectivity. The ID.4 ID.4 comes standard with a 12.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, but a 12.9-inch display is optional and features backlit controls for volume and climate. The infotainment interface is VW's latest but not its greatest. We've found it to be fancier than the previous generation software that's still available in models such as the Jetta sedan and the Tiguan SUV. Navigation is standard, and so are wireless versions of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All ID.4 models also come with a 5.3-inch reconfigurable digital gauge display and voice recognition capability. Safety and driver assistance features. The electrified VW offers a host of standard and optional driver assistance technology. For more information about the ID.4's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Volkswagen currently offers an above-average limited warranty and below-average powertrain coverage compared with rival non-luxury brands, but it offers 2 years or 20,000 miles of complimentary scheduled maintenance. The ID.4's electric components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. How's the storage? The ID.4 features a pretty clever interior, with great storage both in the cabin and in the hatch. The rear cargo area offers a decent 30.3 cubic feet of space, opening up to 64.2 cubic feet when the seats are lowered. This is a very family-friendly. Well, that's all today. I hope you to like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.